Yeah, so guys, follow me on my little trip to Hangzhou.
Hangzhou. In 77, one of the biggest malls in this city, or probably the biggest. IR. Oh baby, wow. Tell me there is a Chinese brand. Mama was I Xihu. See, it's why Trump is so scared of China. These guys are building this shit like every day. 我爱杭州，谁说？ So many people, everywhere you go. The only thing I don't like about here, just too many people. And bro, if you're single in this country, you're gonna feel it. Because everyone has a boyfriend or a girlfriend, bro. So you're walking alone. You never walk alone.
Yeah, so guys, just to put it out there, right? Hangzhou is like one of the best cities for me in China, right? So it has this feeling of China, and it also has this feeling of like the West, like Europe. Is beautiful, right? Like for me, like the architecture has a vibe, like it has a feeling. So I'm just trying to put it out there. Yeah.
Wow, so many people in China. So crazy here. So many people. And sometimes in China you can see one or two foreigners, you know. Yeah. Sometimes. It doesn't happen often.
你别弄坏了啊！来，我带你一起走。
So this how you make. Say this is Chinese traditional. Oh, okay. So what's this?
你别弄身上。不会，我带他一起做不会。这个。
做扇子呢。
哦，做扇子。啥扇子？
毛饼呗。
你看呢？
七三这边
啊，走吧。
扇子不卖，哪一个？
So yeah, this is the streets of Xihu. But one thing you should know is everything is double the price here because it's close to the lake. And that guy is tall.
One thing about China is everywhere is a marketplace. Everywhere is a marketplace.
This is 39 to get a door in view.
可以，多吃它们几个口就好了。然后充电的时候是亮时的话满是绿灯，然后充满的话是亮时。
Do you think it looks like her? It looks like her, right?
刚出来。晚上没有这么你喜欢的马？别说马。
Chinese traditional stuff. And
这是扎染。Do you know what I mean?
what is jara?
这个布 before 是 white.
White. Oh, so you make it yourself. Oh. It's like tie and dye.
Your buy your
Yeah.
sure 都是 the special one, only one.
Wow. So, but you choose the color yourself, right?
Yeah.
So it's. Xihu.
买到不可以那个。
Oh, cigarettes. No, I'm not gonna take that one. It's bad. It's against the law.
香水。
别闻了。
Babe, what's the price for this one?
它是15 ml. 88.
There's some Chinese brand, yeah?
Maybe I don't know.
Oh yeah. I know the price is gonna be.
Yeah, so guys, we got on this ferry right here, and to get on this ferry, I think for one person, right, is 50 renminbi, Chinese renminbi, which is 50 divided by 7 point something dollars for one person, right? And I think this ride was about 20 to 30 minutes, I think. So it's just, look at it, so many old people. I swear there's something about China, like the old people here, they're just a lot. I told my Chinese friend one time that why are the old people in China, like why don't they die? And I didn't mean this in a bad way. I meant it in a curious way. Like I'm so curious about why they live so long, and I think it's the green tea, because they take so much green tea, you know, so much herbs and everything, so they live longer, bro. Like there are old people everywhere, and look at this. Oh my god. My only problem about China, and I say that the whole time in this video, so many people everywhere you go. Like even if you go to a city where like you feel there shouldn't be so much people here, or this attraction is not too, you know, attractive, there are still gonna be so many people over there. Sometimes it's annoying, and you have to stand in line, queue up and stuff. So yeah, this is Xihu Lake. It's a very popular lake in Hangzhou, in China actually. And from here you can see the temple right over there. It's a very important temple. I once went to this temple some years ago. I think it's a Buddhist temple or something. Everything there is made of gold, you know. There's so many gods of money and everything. So yeah, Chinese, they don't play with stuff like this. Yeah, so guys, of course, I had to play soccer, because every city I go to, I find a place where they play, and I join them, you know, just have fun. I'm always with my soccer shoes. I travel with my soccer shoes all the time. Yeah, so I just showed off myself, showed off my skills, you know, look at me doing that and this. Okay, so guys, I'm not really good at making these vlog videos, but like, I just wish I could show you more about China, you know, just like a foreign guy living in China, what it feels like, and you know,